Baptiste's picture's not up here. She's scared. And St. Clair Vincent's mother, in her tragic death, was unfortunately not the only one from cholera in October of 2010 in Haiti. There have been a total of 7,400 people killed from cholera, really a 19th century disease. You don't hear of people dying in Indianapolis, Indiana from cholera in October and in the fall of 2010. And 600,000 people in Haiti sickened with cholera, over 500,000 people. So I appreciate you all coming out to hear a talk about Haiti, because I think it's very fair to have Haiti fatigue. I think it's very fair in the human rights world to have even Haiti despair, because you think, are we hearing about Haiti again? Haven't we already taken care of it? Haven't we taken action? And for most of you in this room, I guess I'm thinking the answer to that is yes. After the January 2010 earthquake, where hundreds of thousands of people were killed, millions of people left homeless, the world community responded generously. $10 billion in assistance has been pledged to Haiti post-earthquake by governments, by individuals. In fact, in the United States, 1 out of every 2 U.S. households actually gave money to Haiti through efforts like this kind of telethon, text message campaigns, Facebook campaigns, etc. Yet, almost 3 years after the earthquake, Marguerite still lives in dirt, still doesn't have running water, still doesn't have a toilet. So what's the problem here? Why hasn't Haiti improved? And the answer to that question is why we're here today, because Haiti has not improved because Haiti does not have access to human rights for its poor people. Haiti does not have an established rule of law. Haiti has wonderful laws on the books, in the Constitution and in the statutes. They've signed on to almost all the major human rights treaties. So on paper, the law exists. In reality, for the poor especially, not so much.